Hi guys, welcome back to Berylos YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I really appreciate, and if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe and ensure you put on your notification bell so that as soon as I upload videos you will be notified. So in today's video I will be showing you how to make an asymmetric pencil dress. You can see it's a lovely dress, and I'm going to show you what you can do so that it does not gape, because most times when people make it gapes. So let's get started. So for us to make this dress, we need our full front. Since it's an asymmetric dress, we need a full front pattern, dress pattern, and we need our full back dress pattern as well. So I've gone ahead to trace out these two patterns. So first we'll work with the front pattern. So in case you do not know how to make it, it's just the combination of your basic bodies and your skirt pattern. So I'm going to put the link in the description box. So the first thing we are going to do is to contour our underbust, and the shoulder to underbust measurement I'm working with is 13 inches. So from the tip of the neck here, you measure down. So whatever your underbust measurement is, you are going to mark it. To make it easier for you, you measure from here. So I'm having 3.5 inches. Take it here, mark 3.5 inches at the other side so that you can have a straight line. So I'm going to rule now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to measure what I'm having on that line. So this is 5.5, then jump to the other side here. So altogether I'm having 8.75, and the round underbust measurement I'm working with is 31 inches. So I'm going to divide by 4. That gives me 7.75. So if you remove 7.75 from 8.75, we are left with 1 inch. So that is what we'll be using to contour the underbust. So I'll have to share it 0.5 on both sides. Then connect from here the underbust to the waist. This way. And I'm going to connect from the waist to the bust point with a broken lines. Then use French curve to do the shaping this way. At the other, and you'll be able to understand better. So we have contoured our underbust. So the next thing we are going to do, if you look at the style again, you notice that it has waist seam. It has seam at the waist. So we are going to cut it at the waist. So it has joining at the waist. Joining and seam is the same. So we'll put this aside and work with the bodies. So what I'm going to do is, with the help of my tracing wheel, I'm going to follow the contour that we have done here so that it can appear at the other side. Okay, you can't see it, but I'm going to use marker now to see what I've drawn. So we are having the same thing at both sides. Then here, this is what I'm having. Okay. So now we decide how wide we want our neck to be. I just want to pick half of what I'm having here. This is 4.75. So half of it will be 4.5 is 2.k. This is half of it. Then you decide how low you want it to be. I'm just going to come down from the underarm by 1 inch, and we are going to connect. Before you connect, ask your client how low does she want it to be. So for this person, I want it to be 7 inches, and this is how to take measurement, how to take neck measurement, neckline measurement. So you take it from the neck of the neck to wherever your client wants it to be. Let's do 7.5. So with the help of our ruler, any of our curve ruler, we are going to connect. Depending on how curvy you want it to be, you can do it this way. If you are not satisfied with what you are having, you can reshape. Please share this video with your friends. Let's grow the channel together. So this is what we are having. So as it is now, if you cut it out and you sew it like that, it's going to gape. What that means is it's not going to lay very well on your client. So to avoid that, we need to contour it so that it can sit so well on your client. So how do we do that? From the bust point here, you are going to take it up to anywhere. You can bend it this way, you can do it straight to the line this way, and we are going to take that here. I'm going to take half of an inch at both sides. You can do more if your client is busty. This is just bust 36. Half of an inch is okay. Then you can take less. Come to the other side as well and contour it. I'm still going to do, okay, let me do 1, 2, 3, 3/8 of an inch. This line before half of an inch at this side. You can actually do the same on both sides. So you will connect it this way. And we are going to fold it so that we can reshape. Once you fold it, you can either fold it this way or this way. It's the same thing, but as you can see that it's not laying flat. So for it to lay flat, we need to cut the middle of this the way that to the bust point. So once we do that, it will lay very well. You can see that it has shifted, so we need to blend it. We have to blend it. This is it. So we leave that side now and fold the other side. Like I said, you can fold it this way or this other way. Whichever way you fold it, it will give you. And it's not laying, so what we'll do is we open it up at the waist. By so doing, you have transferred the excess at the neckline here to the waist. So you can see that the neckline has shifted. So we need to reshape it with our curve ruler. So you have two options. It's either you come down here or you come up. So I will be coming up this way to meet this line. Okay. You can use your hand this way. So before we cut it, with the help of my tracing wheel, I will take note of where the fold is. This is what I'm having now, and this is what I am having. So when I want to cut it, I will go that way. So the next thing is for us to cut it out. I've cut it out. The next thing I'm going to do is to fold the side that. You can cut it out or you fold it. You do not need it again. Do the same at this side, at the other side. And the upper part is ready. So you are going to cut one piece, one piece, one piece. So the front is ready. So move to the back. For the back too, we cut it out at the waist. And we'll work with the upper part. Put it aside. Measure what you have at this shoulder side. Put it this way so that you know where you want to cut. So you mark it. This is it. So come down the same thing we did in the front, 1 inch, and we are going to connect. This way. Control the back as well. Take it up. Take this one up too. For the back, I'm going to do the same thing I did in the front so that it doesn't gape as well. Commence here. So I've cut the waist dart, transferred the dart here to the waist dart, so I can now fold it very well, and I've reshaped it just as we did in the front. So I can cut it now. If you open it, you see the difference. Let me mark it out so that you can see. It's like this. We have through the dart. So let me cut it out. I'm going to cut it out the way we cut out the front. So I've cut out the back. Our patterns are ready. And don't forget to add joining allowance here and here. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, and if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.